Hello students, with hope of your well-being, let's start today's new video. Standard 4th Subject EVS 1 Science Lesson 12 Home Remedies for Simple Illness. Here, children, simple illness means when we do not feel well, what we say is, I am ill, right, children? So, in this chapter, we are going to study about two types of illness. First one, it is illness which cures quickly. It is called as simple illness. Within 2-3 days, it will cure. Then what about the second one? That is illness which does not cure quickly. That is called as disease. For simple illness, we can try home remedies. So children, what is the meaning of remedies? Yes, that is something can help to cure the illness. That may be like herbs, spices, hot steam, etc. And try to cure the illness at home. This is called home remedies. Students, look at these pictures and what can you observe here? First picture, why is this boy's arm in plaster? Could we have put his arm in plaster at home? Second picture, why has this girl been brought to a doctor? Yes, what you observe students? From the first picture we understood the boy got hurt. That means his hand fractured. So what did the plaster? So where he did that? With the help of a doctor. So that plastering work we can't do at home. In second picture, the girl has been brought to the doctor. For what? Yes, she is not feeling well, the fever or some illness. So her parents brought her in the hospital and doctor is examining her and observing what happened. Next, illness. When we are well, we feel hungry at the right times. We sleep well at night. We have no complaints about digestion. And most importantly, we feel refreshed on getting up in the morning. We do not feel tired even if we have been at work. Children, how do you know we are fit and well? Yes, first we feel hungry at the right times means morning, breakfast and afternoon, lunch and at night dinner in correct time we feel the hungry and we have our food also. Then at night we can sleep very well. No other symptoms, no other complaint. Nicely we will sleep at night. And the other thing about our digestion, no complaints about the digestion. And the last important one it is, we feel refreshed on getting up in the morning. Right children? On morning time we can get up very freshly. And then where we are going? You children are going to the school to study. There you will not feel any tiredness. That means you can do your work perfectly. But sometimes for some reason we fall ill. Right children? Sometimes we are falling ill and some illness we are getting. Saku had a slightly sore throat. Still, she had some ice cream. The next day, her throat hurt and she found it difficult to swallow. Mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after school for 2 days. On the third day, Saku's throat had stopped hurting. This was a simple illness and she soon felt better again. Here, children, what do you understood about one simple illness and home remedies? So, first of all, I told you about simple illness means we can cure within 2-3 days, and home remedies I explained. At home, we can do it with the help of some herbs, otherwise spices, or some hot water. That all I explained before. Here the example, see, the Saku, the girl, she had some ice cream. Already she has the throat pain, but still she had that. So what happened? The next day she can't eat anything. Very difficulty means her throat is paining. So mother made her what? Gargling. That means with warm salt water. How many times? Before and after school for 2 days, and twice she did like that. So the third day Saku's throat had stopped hurting. She was okay, she cured. So this was a simple illness, not disease. A fortnight later, Saku's thigh fell ill. She was running a temperature. Her eyes had become yellow. She did not feel like eating anything. Mother took her to the doctor. The doctor said that thigh had jaundice. Yes, now we are telling about a disease. It is not a simple illness. What it is? A fortnight later, that means the Saku's illness after 2 weeks. What happened, children? Yes, Saku's thigh fell ill. Her sister also fallen ill only. Then she was running a temperature. Then how her eyes was become yellowish color, and she is not feeling to eat anything. Then we can't keep at home like that. We can't continue any home remedies. What to do? We have to take her to the doctor. So here also the mother took her to the doctor. Then doctor will observe. And what happened? The doctor is checking, right? So look there, the doctor checked her body. Then the doctor said that this girl had jaundice. It is a disease that causes the yellowish discoloration of the skin. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. She also told her not to eat things which contain oil, ghee, or butter. This was not an illness that could be cured easily. Here, doctor advised her what to do: to take complete rest for 3 weeks. Yes, this jaundice patient has to take 3 weeks complete rest. Again, doctor said not to eat things which contain like oil, ghee, or butter, because this was not an illness. It will take the time to cured. So be very careful. Whatever the doctor will advise, that patient has to follow everything what doctor said. Okay, children? So here this lesson, whatever I taught you about the 2 types of illness. One is very simple illness. We can get cured easily. That means we can use home remedies for simple illness. But like a fracture, otherwise this jaundice, we have to go to the doctor and take medicines with the advice of our doctor. So children, remaining part of this lesson I will continue in the next video. Thank you.